Hey, I'm Tyler Lemmond, and we are doing another CompTIA Network Plus CertMaster Labs. We are in Lab 2.2, Connecting an Ethernet Network. You are a network technician for a small corporate network. The owner of the company has asked you to connect a new workstation to the network while the new employee is in orientation meeting. Your task is to connect the workstation to Office 1 to the Ethernet local area network using a twisted pair cable. That's just like a normal Ethernet cable. Confirm that Office 1 workstation is connected to the local network and the internet. So let's go ahead, let's get going into it. This one is going to be an easy one. Awesome. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to locate Office 1 and we're going to go into its hardware. Okay, from here, we're going to look at our cables. Here is our Cat 6A cable, and we are going to go to the back of this. We are going to grab it and connect it to the back of that. And then we're going to connect it to the wall, which is our actual connection here. This blue one's for a telephone. That's like a legitimate telephone wire, not an Ethernet cable. So let's get into it and let's see if our Ethernet is there. So we're just going to check to see if it's connected to the DHCP. And it is automatically connected to DHCP. So we should be good and score. Did you expect anything less? Awesome. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.